Well, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk to you briefly about this thing we're on right now and how it's just not working. And it's not working because basically they're crushing the little guy. They're crushing the little guy. Down below in the description, there are two links. One is to my Rumble account. One is to my Odyssey account. Wow, so breaking the video. Sorry guys, I tried Odyssey like 5 times. I've uploaded videos to it before. It's got these crazy settings that are just a pain in the ass. And it's limited in size, so I can't even make like full-length videos for you guys. All right, sorry, one choice, Rumble it is. Back to the video. Now I know, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not gonna sell you anything. That's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is for you to realize that they've got you conned, that they've got you thinking, oh, it's just so hard to create another account someplace else. Oh, they make it so easy to stay here. Oh, yes. The reality is they have you under their control. The reality is they are using you. I have almost 1,000 subscribers on this channel. They come, they go. I understand. It's just numbers. But when YouTube is sending out emails to developers, the big guys, saying, don't talk about this and don't talk about that. And if you do, we'll shut you down. There will be ramifications. Then we have to start taking a very hard look at what YouTube is doing. Now, I don't know if they know this. I don't know if they ran this past their lawyers. But yeah, when they sent that email out, I'm pretty sure they broke Section 230. Yeah, they did. They basically said there's going to be problems. Okay, so listen, I'm not going to drag this out too long because this video is about nothing more than trying to get you to go to either Rumble or to Rumble! And what I'm going to do is the one who gets the most people joining up, then that's the one I'm going to go with. Nope, just one choice. And then I'm just going to dump YouTube altogether because honestly, it's just too painful. Sorry. Can't say what you want to say. You can't do what you want to do. And I want to be a place where, hell, I might actually pay that monthly fee to go live on Rumble. They're jamming my upload times. It takes 10 minutes to upload a 1 minute video, 1 minute short on YouTube. That's how they're messing with developers. So I want to stop all that. And I just want to keep getting the word out and helping people and doing what I like to do. So if you could help me do that, I would appreciate it. Okay, links down below. Make a choice. I don't care if you pick both. It don't bother me. But at June 1st, whichever one I have the most followers on, nope, just one choice. That's the one I'm going with. Also, I'm going to make another video for each of those. And that way you have something to watch when you get there. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. And thank you for your support. Bye-bye. Nope, just one choice. Sorry.